What's the meaning of Conestoga wagon? Conestoga wagon. Conestoga wagon.
Conestoga wagon. Conestoga wagon. A Conestoga wagon is a type of large, heavy-duty covered wagon that was used extensively during the late 18th and early 19th centuries in the United States. These wagons were typically pulled by teams of horses or oxen and were used to transport goods and people across long distances, often over rough terrain. The distinctive prairie schooner design featured a curved bottom, sloping sides, and an arched canvas cover that helped protect the contents from the elements. Today, Conestoga wagons are primarily associated with the American West and the country's early pioneering days.